Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to connect your PC to a printer. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first you have to go to your printer settings, go to your start menu and then type printer settings and then open. You can look for printers and scanners if in case you cannot see device and printer. So printers and scanners and then tap on open. You will see here the type of printers that you have used before. Now, in order for you to simply add or connect your PC to a printer, you just have to click this one right here. And then you have to wait at the scanning. Now you have to click this. The printer that I want isn't listed. You have to tap or click this one. Now you have your option right here, and all you have to do is to select one. Is it older? If you want to browse, you can also connect a printer here via Bluetooth, or if you're using IP address, host name. But this time, tap add a local printer, click this one, and then tap on next. Now here you can choose your printer port, use existing or create a new one. So basically just tap this arrow facing down and select your choice. After that, you can now tap on next. Now it's time to install the printer driver. So just select your printer here, the model, the type. Once you have selected that, then all you have to do is just tap on the next button right here. Tap next. And then after that, type a printer name here. Once you have added the printer name, tap next again. Now it's installing. You can now add share name, location, comment, and then after that, tap on next. It's now time to print a test page and then tap on finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.